Welcome to ClearTask. If you need to insert tally marks in Microsoft Word, you have a couple of fast and reliable options. Let's get right into it. The quickest way uses your keyboard. Simply hold down the Shift key and press the / key, usually located above the Enter key, to type the vertical pipe symbol. Type this symbol 4 times to represent your first 4 marks. Now highlight those 4 marks. Navigate to the Home tab and click on the strike-through icon, which looks like the letters ABC with a line through them. Word will immediately draw a line across your 4 vertical bars, creating a perfect 5-count tally mark. If you prefer a custom look or want to adjust the thickness and color, you can use the Shapes feature. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes and select the Line tool. Hold down the Shift key while drawing to keep your line perfectly vertical. You can adjust the line's weight and color from the Shape Format tab. Press Ctrl D to duplicate this line until you have 4 identical vertical marks side by side. Next, select the Line tool again and draw one final line diagonally across the 4 vertical ones. To keep them tied together, hold the Shift key, click to select all 5 lines, right-click, and choose Group. Now you can move and resize your custom tally mark as a single shape anywhere in your document. And that is all it takes. Subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tutorials. See you in the next video.